So we're at the top of Trews Falls, which is apparently slightly shorter than Niagara Falls. We wanted to hike to the bottom of this, but unfortunately we couldn't find it passing in the river. It was safe, too much ice. Oh wow, oh wow. Wow.
Holy shit!
Wow! You're hitting the ice at the bottom?
Yeah.
This is incredible. Alright, I've got a beef to pick with you, Hamilton Conservation Authority, and I'm gonna pick it right now. So, you guys have all kinds of safety barriers all over Trews Falls and Webster's Falls. You won't let us walk at the bottom of the falls because you say it's too dangerous. Extreme $10 for parking is kind of extreme on off seasons. No parking everywhere else, so you're forced to go to the parking spots. Yet you hike, what, 200 meters down the path that you pay $10 for with all the safety stuff, and you get to things like this. These are like sheer drop-offs. No warnings about the drop-offs at these current things. I don't really care personally because I'm a good walker and I know what's going on and stuff. But when you promote safety and like families not falling over the sides at the edge of the waterfalls, and you tell people not to walk the bottom of the waterfalls, perhaps it's best that you let people know that there's crazy ass drops right beside the path, you know, for families and strollers and stuff. But maybe that's just me.
Shit, there. That looks like a waterfall that's not going right now. No. Want to go check on that view?
Yeah?
There's a little path right here. None of these paths are as visible during
Spring.
summer and shit. Like
Yeah, yeah.
This is definitely looks like a spring. All of a sudden, poof! Like some like release valve thing. Pretty much diverting the falls the last 2 years.
Take a little fucking path that way. Crazy fuckers! No, you crazy fucker! Oh shit, son! That's what it's for. Ah!
Not a fire pit. Yet.
It would be cool. No, no, it's got burn marks. Somebody did something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we can get it to a peak, I guess is where the trail goes.
Oh cool.
One of the lookouts, I literally can't walk over onto this slide. My body's like saying no. You'll see from some of the pictures, my buddy who came out and sat on the side there, but that's too fucking hardcore. Dude! Fuck, man, no! Oh my god. As much as I like to be supportive of my friends, man, that stuff scares the fucking shit out of me. Oh my. So way over there, the black house is where we started. We walked all the way over to here, and earlier in the video you saw us walking and hiking. We started way down there, and we started way down there, and then we hiked over to the stairs and hiked all the way down and up that river. Now I'm going to walk with you while I talk here. Put you on my head. Alright. Now on my head, alright. I'll walk and talk right now. We're gonna go to the last lookout point. That's up here. There's things I'm pretty brave at doing, and there's things that I know I can't do. And standing at the edge of stuff is something that I can't do. Oh my god, he already made it over there. My buddy is a crazy man. That's just what I'm saying. City of Hamilton's all hardcore and stuff with them putting up fences and everything around the waterfalls. Take a quick little 800-meter walk this way though. Oh no. There we go. We got a piece of cement. Alright. Pretty cool.
Continues over there, eh? Well, at least for a little bit. I thought this was the end because of how fast those ladies were back. Oh, there's the path is saying it goes. This is just like another lookout point, but it looks like we can travel along the side there. Yeah, it's pretty cool right there. It's like on falls.
Wow.
Yeah, crazy, eh?
That is really neat.
Yeah, it's such a big water tower. You can see exactly where we parked.
Yeah, there's that
bench,
school.
The bench.
Yeah, I got rooftop terraces and all kinds of crazy things. Yeah, the bench.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's sick. Oh, that like they added on to the back of the school.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool. At least they like kept the building around. Took the picture where it looks like you're just standing on something, but you don't even see the like. It just looks like you're standing on a wall. And it's got like all the sky.
That's awesome, dude. I thought that there was like no ledge on the other side of this when
when
you're.
I was standing on
Yeah.
it?
I was like, oh shit.
Oh, you couldn't see me over there.
No. Dude, when I went around the woods and I came back, I was like, oh motherfucker, did he fall off? Like, where'd he go? I'm like, I don't know where he is.
Fuck, look at that fern I cried across.
Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying, man. And I was like, where the fuck is he going?
I can never look back. I'm like, holy fuck.
Dude, and over there's that the waterfall we walked down is a complete overhang that we're on.
I want to see what's down here.
Dude, it's crazy that this is like metal. So many people sat on it.
Yeah, like it's soft down.
Like,
and people walking on this has made them soft.
let's be honest. If this whole area's been around since the 1800s, it's reasonable that 200 years of people have walked out here at some point.
Yeah, absolutely. Original path.
Alright, still recording. Holy fuck. Yeah, that's crazy how.
The other one was way more intense.
Yeah, that's
over
fucking-
there. Just like the fall downwards, it was like whoa. Where I put my feet over the edge, you're like, this is
Motherfucker, yeah, that's scary shit. I like how people use chrome spray paint so it glows. Like, it's gotta.
They're doing?
Well, I'm taking a guess. It's.
Yeah, it is a lot of really bright colors, right? Like on this side.
Cool. That's pretty impressive. Oh, there's a whole path.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think this is the original path, and they just made like a path like up, like top thing. Oh, where's this go? It didn't go down here.
No, I don't think you did.
Oh, crazy. Fucking crazy, dog. Yeah, there's people signing their name. Oh, there's a rope. What the fuck? You climb down and climb up from here? That's crazy.
No, you're crazy. I can't walk over there. I'm a little too freaked out for that.
Take the rope. Oh yeah, there's a big giant like a climbing rope over here. I can see climbing.
Any moment I take my mind off of concentrating on this, my body steps backwards on its own.
That's crazy.
This is cool.
A crazy rope.
What? Well, what would be the point of that? Is you going down? You're coming up?
I think maybe coming up.
Because then, yeah, my core would be flexed.
How to do proper one-handed chin-up.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Look, it's that view right there.
It is really neat.
Looks like you're running, you do like a parachute thing. Like, zip line from here. That'd be sick.
It's cool how the sun comes down on this side, so all the snow's melted, but the sun shades on that
Is
side.
that those turkey vultures right there on the cliff? See them? All perched on
Yeah.
the cliff right there?
You want to walk along and slowly get out to them?
Yeah, we gotta be quiet on them.
Yeah, I'll let you do the first walk out.
I think I might be here by that video too.
I think it's the next one on the way down. Oh no. Yo, maybe it wasn't this one. Hold on. Wasn't there rocks at the next? I think there's an oak cliff right there. Yeah, yo. I see them. The white rock, I see a black thing on it. Yeah, it's just up here. I see them.
You see them?
Yeah. Come back right here. See them on the edge? Yeah, they do have that turkey face to them. So we're hunting after turkey vultures. We're trying to creep up all quiet. I think they've seen us.
there's two more right there.
So they must nest along here.
Didn't get a video, but I got rapid fire and flight involved.
That's even better. They must come here because it's more rocky and natural.
To make them fly because I have it on video.
Get ready. He's looking. Get ready. Oh, yeah. Go on, dude. Do it. Ah! Oh, that's true.
Look at the path along the bottom there.
Yeah. Yo, that thing almost fell off there. Did you see that?
What thing?
The bird, it slipped and a little rock came off.
The other one's attacking us from behind. Or else I'm gonna get buzzed in the head.
Oh, next one looks like he's walking.
There's another one.
Yeah, looks like he's with the go though.